Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to learn today about how to identify resistant and breakups. Okay, and after that one, we want to look for gold and Euro USD and look for other charts also to compare and see where are the break and resistance are. Okay, so let's begin with the gold. Okay, let's pull the chart of gold. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna analyze beginning from monthly to M15 because I like M15 so much. So we normally begin from monthly to M15. So in monthly, here, first of all, what we need to do, okay, we're gonna go down and look for the inside the index. We're gonna look for the something called support and resistance or supply and demand where they are. Okay, one of those. Let's pick that one. That one I didn't like it so much, so let's pick this one. Let me remove that one first of all. After let's remove that one. Supply and demand, where is it? Supply and demand. Yes, so here we can see we do have supply down here. Also up here we do have a demand. Why am I looking first of all in terms of monthly? Okay, so when we look at monthly, we can see up here we do have a kind of resistance. This was double top. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I think at that point we are clear. So we want to identify where this trade at this point, where it is. Okay, where it is. So we have almost 3, 1, 2, 3. So in monthly side, we are on the resistant level on upper top. Okay, so we want to go to weekly. Let's head to weekly. In weekly, we can see also we do have supply, which would all I can say that sellers, you can see most of the sellers took at this point level to buy, to sell. I mean to sell. Sorry for that one. Then when we combine it, let's combine with the pivot level. Where is it? Pivot level. Okay, yeah, I think you can see that pivot level where they are. We do have a pivot level at this point. We do have 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, somewhere there. So if we combine that one, we can see that we are heading down. Okay, so what we need to do and what we need to learn mostly, we need to identify where to take our trades. Okay, so first of all, in monthly we are heading down. Weekly also we are heading down. What you need to key in mostly is this one and this one here. Then where should we where should we take out our profit? All of it down here. See, if you took this trade out up here, you should get out down here. Okay, because why am I saying that one? Because that down here we do have a I think you can see that one, that line that I have drawn. We do have a resistant level. Okay, why am I saying that we do have a resistant level? You can see we rally up, we came back, we stop down here, then we go back, then we are heading down. If we'll break this one, if this trade may come and break this level here and this candle may close up down here, that means we're gonna come up to this level. Okay, so but in terms of monthly, first of all, I doesn't see that one. I doesn't see it going up. We normally heading down. Okay, because we do have a double top here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have 3 tops that are touching, they're resisting to break that one. So means we're gonna come down here because we do have another supply and demand here, 1 2. Okay, so in terms of monthly, we are going sell. That was speaking about gold. Okay, because you should remember this one. This happened last, I think it was last month. This one. Okay, this happened last month, if I'm not wrong, if I'm sure. Yeah, it happened on 2023 8th. It was October 8th. Okay, there's a date down here, here there's a date. Okay, there's a date down here. So this we rally up. Okay, we rally up to that day. Okay, so and this one you are on the November, you are heading to December. Okay, we're gonna rally downward. So to cut the story short, let's head to H4. In H4 we do have something here. Okay, you can see something here. If I we do have something here. Okay, also we do have supply and demand, something a little bit in the round corner here. Okay, so that's the level of how to identify support and resistance. First of all, you know where they are and how to use supply and demands to know where they are. Okay, let's head to Euro USD. Okay, in Euro USD also we need to identify first of all, okay, where they are in terms of monthly. Okay, where the trades are in terms of monthly. First of all, in terms of monthly, we do have this supply and demand here, top, down, top and bottom. So what we need to understand also here, when you have you have seen the supply and demands where they are, you need to come to weekly, yeah, to identify, okay, we do have a double top, down, upward. Okay, or we can have a resistance at the top level. And let me explain why am I saying we are on the resistant level. You can see by this shape, you can see, do you see this kind of that one? When this candle did not even close above that, means that we are heading down. Then look at this level, we are ranging between here. Okay, we doesn't want to go up, we are just ranging coming down. Then there's another thing you're supposed to know. This is a Euro USD. When the dollar goes up, okay, Euro normally goes down. Okay, and right now the dollar is going up, so means Euro USD will be going down. That's what's happening here. When the dollar goes up, Euro USD normally comes down. So I don't know if I pulled that chart earlier before of UX index. I could have shown you where we are at this point, but let us focus here at this level. Okay, let me remove this one first of all. In fact, you can see this. See this blue shape of mine that I pulled on the monthly side. Look at this thing and look at this one. Where do we have supply and demand? You can see this red here, and that one normally appears in the monthly. Remember, this one you put in the monthly side. So we do have another one. This is another one. Okay, this is another one. So let us go to also weekly. You're gonna see something. Okay, look at this thing. You can see it. We do have supply and demand. So to cut the story short, okay, we rally back up, but look at this one. We did not even close, okay, at 50%. Means we're gonna pull down. Okay, we're gonna go down. If we can break this level, we're gonna come up to here. Okay, this is the point where we need to look at. Okay, so if you see this video is useful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so we can grow together.